Imagine a world where your car drives itself, your doctor is a robot that knows everything about your body, and homes are powered by energy harvested from the air around us. That world isn't decades away, it's coming faster than you think. Between 2026 and 2030, technology will leap forward in ways we once thought impossible. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey into the future and reveal some of the most exciting inventions on the horizon. 1. Autonomous transportation. By 2026, self-driving cars won't just be a luxury, they'll be everywhere. Autonomous trucks and delivery drones will revolutionize logistics, making delivery faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Flying taxis could become a reality in urban centers, drastically reducing commute times. The future of transportation will prioritize safety, efficiency, and environmental sustainability as AI systems take control of traffic management and reduce human error. 2. AI-powered healthcare. The next few years will bring a healthcare revolution. AI will analyze vast amounts of medical data to predict illnesses before they happen. Imagine wearable devices that constantly monitor your health and alert you instantly if something is wrong. Personalized medicine, based on your genetics and lifestyle, will allow treatments that are more precise and effective than ever. Robots could perform complex surgeries with unparalleled precision, reducing recovery times and risks. 3. Smart homes and cities. Homes will become fully connected ecosystems. From fridges that automatically reorder groceries to AI systems that manage energy use for maximum efficiency, everyday life will become easier and greener. Smart cities will integrate transportation, energy, and public services using AI, reducing pollution, traffic congestion, and waste. Imagine a city that literally adapts to its citizens' needs in real time. 4. Advanced robotics and automation. Robots won't just work in factories, they'll be in our homes, offices, and public spaces. Expect humanoid robots assisting with chores, education, and even companionship. Automation will transform industries, taking over repetitive tasks and allowing humans to focus on creative, strategic, and social roles. This will redefine what work looks like and open opportunities we haven't imagined yet. 5. Space exploration and commercial space travel. The space race of the 2020s isn't just government-led anymore. Private companies are racing to make space travel accessible to ordinary people. Lunar bases, asteroid mining, and even early Mars exploration could become feasible. Technologies developed for space, like advanced energy systems, life support, and robotics, will have applications here on Earth, improving our daily lives. 6. Sustainable energy and climate solutions. The next decade will be critical for energy innovation. Expect breakthroughs in nuclear fusion, solar efficiency, and energy storage that could finally make clean energy abundant and affordable. Innovations like carbon capture, bioengineering, and artificial photosynthesis may help fight climate change and restore ecosystems. These technologies will not just preserve the planet, they will redefine how we live on it. 7. Brain-computer interfaces and augmented reality. By 2030, interacting with computers may no longer require keyboards or screens. Brain-computer interfaces could allow thought-to-action control, opening doors for new ways of learning, working, and communicating. Augmented reality will merge the digital and physical worlds seamlessly, transforming education, entertainment, and even social interactions. Our perception of reality itself could be expanded. The future isn't just coming, it's already on the horizon. Between 2026 and 2030, the inventions we've discussed will reshape how we live, work, and interact with the world. Technology will empower us, challenge us, and inspire us to imagine what humanity can achieve. The question is, are we ready to embrace it?